Hi guys, my name's Nicola. I'm going to be showing you how to build a relatively cost-effective table for a model railway. And to do that, I've purchased some timber beams from a local timber supplier called Nordstrom's. They're 2 inches wide and 4 inches tall, and I purchased 9mm thick plywood, which was originally 244 centimetres wide and 122 centimetres tall, and I had it cut into 4 even panels. So the thing behind me, it's 60 centimetres wide now, 122 centimetres tall. The whole idea of cutting the plywood sheets into sections is so that the model railway is easily portable. You can take it apart, dismantle it, and the same applied to the timber support structure there. So instead of just having one kind of outer rim, I've had to split it into 3 sections. So I'm actually going to build 3 separate boxes. I'm going to lock them together, screw right through the middle of the 2 timber beams here, and put a bolt through them. I've been recommended an M8 thick 130mm long bolt and some washers, so not to damage the timber, and also some wing nuts, and they just make it easier, I guess, to dismantle the beams. So if you have a look at what they look like in a bag, that's the wing nuts. Okay, so the other things I've got as well, single thread wood screws, 90mm long, should be enough to hold the timber together. And to secure the plywood on top of the timber structure, I've bought some round-headed 20mm screws. Majority of the screws from B&Q, I found that B&Q don't cut timber, but before I did that, I managed to drop a timber beam on my foot, so yay! So when we put the plywood down on the frame, we found that actually collapses at the point where the 2 pieces of plywood join. So we've decided to put an extra timber beam where the plywood will join to support it. Right, so we've got 3 of our boxes screwed together. We've taken them apart so that we can put the legs on. So that's one of them. I'm now going to attach the other leg. We've bought thicker beams for the outside rims, and we've bought 2x2 beams on each corner of the inside beams. So yeah. We've just finished the last structure, so we're going to flip it up and turn it around, and then we're going to bolt all the tables together. So maybe try to turn it. There we are. So that's our last structure, and we're going to bolt it together. I don't know why this is so bad.
You got both washers in? Got both washers in?
Yeah, this time. And all that's left to do now is to put the plywood on top. Isn't even on. Yeah, definitely.
Fine.
Panic over. We are ready for that?
Wow.
Good to go?
Look at that.
So, yeah, this is our table, complete with a dozen legs. We're all in one piece.